down my boat!
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave, and today we got another project going on. This is a 1947 Farmall BN that we're restoring. We've been restoring this tractor for nearly 20 years now. I had a number of other projects come up and kind of interrupt our progress on this one. Some of the time was spent scrounging for parts. It's a little less common model than a lot of the letter series Farmalls. We had some steering issues with it, which of course is one of the parts that's different between this and like a Farmall A. Anyway, we're finally getting back to it now, and I thought you might enjoy watching some of our progress, what we're doing. We're kind of at the final stages now. We've already rebuilt the engine some time ago. We put brake bands at the back, and we're basically now to the stage where we're just doing our final clean off and prep. All the tin has already been sandblasted and puttied and primered and so forth. So we're just kind of doing our final cleanup, ready to paint. So thought perhaps you'd like to watch and see what we do. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll get back to work. We have our BN ready to paint now. We'll catch that up in the next video. Hope you enjoyed our video showing some of the preparation that goes into restoring a tractor. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave that in the comments section below. Please give us a like, subscribe to my channel,